Hey guys, it's Spencer with Making Mends. Just wanted to make a quick video for you guys today and show you how to check for error codes on your dishwasher. This will work with most Whirlpool, Kenmore, I believe Frigidaire as well. Anything under the Whirlpool family that has an electronic control here on the front. What you want to do when it's in standby mode, make sure you have no lights on. Click any three keys in the same order 3 times. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna use these 3 buttons here. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure there's no more than 1 second between each click. And then you've got all the lights will come on showing you that they're all working. And then next you'll want to watch closely here because this clean light will flash indicating whether you have any error codes. And so we'll sit here and watch for just a moment. These lights changing over here indicating that it's going through the different modes of diagnostic, the Service Diagnostic Mode. And now it's starting the test cycle. So it looks like we did not have any error codes on this one. But shortly, if you did have any error codes, shortly after all of the lights are illuminated, they'll turn off and then you'll see this light start blinking. Pay close attention to it because the number of blinks that this gives you will tell you your error codes. You're going to have an F number and an E number. So for example, F7E1 tells you function 7, that has to do with, I believe it's the drain pump. E1 will say the dishwasher's having trouble draining. So it will blink 7 times, pause for a moment, and then blink once. And then it'll do a longer pause, and then it'll blink 7 times again, pause, blink once. That's indicating F7E1. And then it'll do that a few times, give you a longer pause, and then move on to the next error code. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more repair tips. Thanks, have a good one.